Well guys, here it is. We got a crazy unique painting for you guys. We got a funky looking cat. We got crazy faces over here. Look at those nice clean lines. Who's this? An old froggy or something? There we go. Completed. Brand new RAEART. I'll put this up on my website for sale. The size is 16 by 20 inches. Acrylics on canvas. It's ready to hang up on your wall. So don't hesitate. Check out www.raeart.ca. Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.